Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix error code 0x80242020 in Microsoft Store. Firstly click on Start, type here WS Reset. Now open this WS Reset Run command. Now wait for a few seconds. It will resolve some common problems related Microsoft Store. That's it. Now if this method not work, so try second one. Click on Start, Settings, Apps. Now here click on Apps and Features. Now here find out Store. Click on this three dot, Advanced Options. Now here you will see option Reset. First one you try to repair. If repair method not work, so reset. And after once this finish both one, so restart your system. So this is the basic and easy way to fix and resolve Microsoft Store problem on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.